Hello children and kids, welcome back to my channel Fashion Designs. I hope you are all fine and doing great. Today I'm here with a new video of Roma Indiana cartoons, and this video is also made for kids, and hope you children and you enjoy the video till end. So always must watch the video till end. These cartoons are a big source of information, knowledge, learning, growing for your children. So people which are new at my channel, I request you all to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos. So I hope that your children like these cartoons, and if your children like other cartoons, so let me know in comment section. Tell me in comment section so that I will make that type of videos, that cartoons videos. Tell me in comment section. And if your children like this video and you also like this video and this cartoon, so like my video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and give your feedback about this video in comment section. I think cartoons are very essential for children, but positive cartoons are essential, not negative cartoons, because from cartoons kids learn many things about life, and for growing children, I think cartoons are essential. This type of cartoons are very essential. Develop learning and many things in your children. Both the children's Roma and Diana are good example for your children, and their cartoons are become most popular in the world, and they serve for the childrens and kids, and I request that always watch the cartoons with your children and protect your children from bad cartoons that give your children bad moral lessons, and always use YouTube Kids app so that your children watch must cartoons, not any other thing. And so enjoy the video till end, and give feedback in comment section. I hope you and your children like this video. Tell me in comment section what type of next videos I make for you and your children. I hope you're enjoying the video.